Good afternoon, everyone. Friday. It's weekend again. My cell is that maybe because it's slow, but already but happy Friday. It's weekend again. Enjoy your weekend. It's weekend. I like the lamkit. Like a pun. The house of the caterpillar. Sakon. I just dropped the kids in school. Anyway, they don't have class today, but they had practice for the concert on next week. They're gonna sing and dance. Already, my cell phone is so dark. Slow down.